Hello and welcome to Fran's Flowers. Today's date is Thursday, April 24th. My dilemma today is, where do I start? Everything looks fabulous. So I'm going to give you a quick, brief rundown of the whole place, and then I'll show you individual things. There's some proven winner, beautiful grandes, just loaded with color and ready to go right into your containers or garden. One of my favorite things are these wilder natives. This guy just does such a great job, Matt and Martin, two brothers, and it's fabulous. They're just small, little 3.5 inch, but you can naturalize your whole yard with pure natives grown right here. We got in some more of those delicious lupin. Look at the spikes on these. Our perennial section is loaded with color. Hanging baskets galore. Herbs and vegetables that can go out now, and plenty of shrubs. We'll see you all at Fran's.